8th Standard Sociology, Chapter 4, Types of Society. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one. The hunting societies uses dash tools for hunting. Answer is stone. Second one. Dash used to till the land in agricultural society, the implement. Answer is plough and animal. Third one, the distribution of skilled work is called as dash. Answer is division of labor. Fourth one, in industrial societies, there is an increase in transport and dash. Answer is communication. Fifth one, the mechanized production take place in dash society. Answer is industrial. Second main, answer the following. First one, what are the different types of societies? The different types of societies are hunting and gathering society, pastoral society, nomadic and semi-nomadic society, agricultural society or rural society, urban society, industrial society, and information society. These are the types of societies. Second one, what is a pastoral society? The process of engaging in animal husbandry of cattle like sheep, goat, cow, and buffalo for general sustenance is called pastoral society. Third one, how does agriculture gain importance in society? Majority of people engage in agricultural work. With the invention of plough during 3000 BCE, the agricultural revolution started. Villages are the lifeline of this country. There are about 6 lakh villages in India and they have retained the Indian culture and tradition intact. Majority of the people live in rural India. In rural areas, 59% of men and 75% of women are engaged in agriculture directly for their sustenance. In this way, agriculture gains importance in society. Fourth one, what is an industrial society? The society that utilizing scientific production ways and searching for energy sources is called industrial society. Fifth one, information society is growing fast. Prove. As the information society is needed for all, it has assumed more importance. In this society, people take help from information technologies to solve their problems and challenges. The information society helps to attain education and do commerce and business needed for the future. In this way, information society is growing fast. Third main, Answer the following in 4 or 5 lines. First one, explain the features of hunting and gathering societies. Hunting and gathering society is the first stage of human evolution. It is a simple and ancient society. It is very small in size. The human beings were engaged in fishing, hunting animals, and gathering foods from plants and trees. The role and status in the society were fixed based on age and sex. There was no desire of accumulation of wealth. Sharing the sources is the important trait. Hunting was done using stone tools. These are the features of hunting and gathering societies. Second one, explain the features of pastoral societies. Pastoral society is the second stage in the evolution of human societies. The process of engaging in animal husbandry of cattle like sheep, goat, cow, and buffalo for general sustenance is called pastoral society. These consisted of several thousand people. Cattle herding was the main occupation. The society was under the leadership of single leader. Apart from tending cattle for sustenance, the members were engaged in fishing, hunting, and food gathering works. These are the features of pastoral societies. Third one, explain the relationship between land and agriculture. At the agricultural society stage, human beings left nomadic life and settled in a place engaging in agriculture. This society is a village-based society. The majority of people engage in agriculture-related works. Producing food primarily through agriculture is another important feature. India is called a land of village and agriculture. Jajmani system, Jamindari system, Rayatwari system, Mahalwari system are closely linked with agriculture. These are the relationship between land and agriculture. Fourth one, list out the features of industrial society. First one, industry-based economy. Second one, professional works. Third one, transport and communication. Fourth one, increase in migration. These are the features of industrial society. Question number 5. Write a note on information society. As the information society is needed for all, it has assumed more importance. In this society, people take help from information technologies to solve their problems and challenges. The information society helps to attain education and do commerce and business needed for the future. The studies and theories on information societies focus on two issues related to the hold of knowledge on the economy. The first issue is that of the influence of information technology on socio-economical life. And the second issue is that the very information itself has become a commodity. Hence, knowledge has become the key to future productivity. It is no more the property of any individual or an institution. knowledge is getting exchanged over new tools. Computers have become the information storage hubs. These are all about information society.